Ah.
Oh!
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh
And he says he is a Metro.
Yeah. Totally Metro.
no! Metro? What? I am not. Ever thought you'd be standing here with your boyfriend putting makeup on and fixing your hair?
No. Never. Get that motherfucking camera off of me. Oh my god.
I'm having fun with this.
It takes like about as long as I take to get ready.
I know, I'm
My hair
already
is
ready.
hard to do, thank you.
I'm just faster than both of y'all, I
All you're
guess.
doing is drying it and straightening it.
That's a lot of freaking work. Do you see how much hair I have? Really?